You're posting all the time. You're showing up on Instagram, TikTok, and maybe even YouTube. But nothing's happening. No leads, no sales, just silence. And honestly, we've been there too. The moment when you're doing everything right, but still getting nowhere. So what's really going on? Well, you might be missing on the most important part of your strategy, a social media marketing sales funnel. But no worries, in this video, I walk you through how to build an organic funnel that turns strangers into customers without spending a cent on ads. And yes, it's the same strategy that top brands and creators use every day. All right, let's get to the first thing. What is a social media marketing funnel? A social media marketing funnel is just a fancy way of saying not every piece of content should do the same job. Some content should help people find you. Another content can help people trust you. And other pieces of content might help people want to buy from you. And that's the funnel. As you see, there's no magic here. There's just a strategy. So now, let's look at how each part works and what kind of content fits where. Let's start from the top, literally. And by this, I mean start by top of the funnel, which is called tofu. This is where the journey of the customer starts. Think that you're gonna talk to people that have never, ever heard of your brand. They've never seen your content, they haven't heard from you at all. Literally, they're strangers. So your goal here isn't exactly to sell. It's to get attention and get that spark of curiosity going. In other words, you want them to stop scrolling whenever they see your content. A good way to do this is by focusing on pain points, problems, and even aspirations. Things that your audience will automatically relate to. For example, take a look at this TikTok. It's funny, it's short, and it even hits a nerve. That's pure tofu. If you see, this TikTok video doesn't sell anything. It literally just grabs your attention by saying, hey, we get you. That right there, it's the moment they enter your social media marketing funnel. And platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and even YouTube Shorts are perfect for this stage. Then we have MOFU, which means middle of the funnel. At this stage, people already know you. The thing is that here they are asking, okay, does this brand really fit with me? Is this the best choice for me? So it's important that in this stage, you add a lot of meaningful value. Content that helps your audience evaluate, compare, and feel more confident about choosing you. That often translates to educational content, tutorials, product explainers, comparisons, or step-by-step guides that directly talk about a specific need. But depending on your brand, value can also come from content that reinforces an identity or an aspiration, like curated style guides or transformation posts. The key difference from tofu is that this content isn't just meant to grab attention. It actually speaks to someone that is already paying attention but wants to go deeper. Let's take ASOS, for example. They often share Instagram carousels like this one, where it doesn't showcase their products, but it taps into a cultural moment and connects fashion with what their audience is already thinking about, which is extremely smart. Because by doing that, ASOS is not just another fashion brand. It becomes part of their audience's world. That's MOFU done right. Not through direct selling, but by staying relevant and reinforcing their identity. And finally, we have BOFU, which means bottom of the funnel. This is the moment of truth. Your audience already knows you, they've already seen your content, and they trust you at least enough to consider buying from you. But now they're really asking, does this worth my time or my money? That means your job here with BOFU is to remove that friction and make that decision of your customer feel super easy. Content in this stage should be super clear and very product focused. The content here can be demos or feature breakdowns, testimonials or before and after stories, and special offers, or urgency-based content. And that's when Bofu is done right. Because you're not convincing someone to like you. You're just making it simple for them to say the final yes. And that right there is how you build an effective social media marketing funnel that turns followers into paying customers without spending a dime on ads. And if you want to dive deeper and learn how to create killer content, check out this video. And if you like this video, you already know what to do. See you in the next one, Metricooler.